Hey, it's B-Dubs. I'm excited to share my latest blog with you from my website, brittwhite.io. The link to my blog is below in the description. I'm always open to feedback, so leave a comment if you have suggestions or if there's a particular topic you'd like me to write about. Now let's dive in. Hacking the GRC career path. Starting a career in cybersecurity might seem daunting at first, like trying to navigate through a complex labyrinth of technical jargon and certifications. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding genius to make your mark. GRC offers a perfect entry point for analytical minds who love solving puzzles and building robust systems. Get ready, I'll walk you through how to kickstart your GRC journey and share insights from my own experience on standing out in this dynamic field. What is GRC and why does it matter? Think of GRC as the backbone of modern cybersecurity. It's not just another acronym. It's the framework that keeps organizations secure, ethical, and running smoothly in our digital world. Let me break that down. Governance, the strategic compass that guides an organization's security decisions, ensuring every policy and process aligns with business goals. Risk management, the art of identifying and addressing potential threats before they become problems. Because prevention beats damage control every time. Compliance, making sure your organization meets regulatory requirements, not just to check boxes or avoid penalties, but to build trust with stakeholders and consumers. For analytical minds who love solving complex puzzles and building robust systems, GRC offers an exciting career path where you can make a real impact on organizational security, and an even bigger impact building a more secure future. Essential skills for success. Success in GRC isn't just about being a nerd, though that's a really big part of it. It's about having the right blend of business acumen, analytical thinking, and technical fundamentals. Here are the key skills you'll need. Strategic communication. Your role involves bridging the gap between technical teams and business leaders. You need to be able to articulate complex security concepts in clear, actionable terms. Analytical mindset. GRC professionals are like security architects. We analyze systems, identify vulnerabilities, and design robust solutions to protect organizations. Technical foundation. While you won't be writing code, you do still need to understand core security technical concepts like access controls, network security, and risk frameworks. To get started, build some credibility with a foundational certification like the CompTIA Security Plus. This credential demonstrates your commitment and validates your expertise in security fundamentals. And as a bonus, it's the most recognized certification for entry into this industry. Entry-level opportunities in GRC. Want to know the best thing about GRC? You don't need years of experience to get started. The field offers several entry points where you can learn, grow, and make an impact from day one. Here's some roles to consider. Compliance analyst. Think of this as being the organization's security compass. You'll help ensure the company follows security best practices and stays aligned with industry regulations. Risk analyst. If you love solving puzzles, this role is for you. You'll identify potential security risks and develop strategies to protect the organization before incidents occur. GRC consultant. Perfect for those who enjoy variety. You'll work with different organizations, helping them build and strengthen their security programs. Pro tip. Keep in mind that there's not currently an industry standard for role naming conventions. You really have to dig through the actual job descriptions to see what each one entails. Now, these roles are just the beginning. With experience and continued learning, you can work your way up to positions like security manager or CISO. The sky's the limit, standing out from the crowd. How do you stand out from a sea of others looking to break in here? In a field as dynamic as cybersecurity, carving out your niche requires more than just a technical know-how. Here's how you can position yourself for success. Think like a risk analyst. Develop a proactive mindset that anticipates vulnerabilities before they become threats. Being able to spot potential risks isn't just a skill, it's your superpower in GRC. Build your professional network. Connect authentically with industry professionals through conferences, Discord communities, and local meetups. You never know when your next opportunity will come from that one person you met at a conference last year. Share your insights. Establish a reputation by contributing meaningful content to the GRC community. Whether it's through LinkedIn articles, blog posts, or speaking engagements, your unique perspective matters. Get real-world experience. Theory is great, but practical experience is gold. Take on volunteer projects for nonprofits or small businesses. It's an excellent way to build your portfolio while making a genuine impact. If this isn't an option for you, create a vulnerable home lab and perform a risk assessment on it. Pro tip: you can discover other actionable ways to gain GRC experience in my blog, GRC Skills, Create Your Opportunity, Resources and Learning Paths. Let's talk about the resources that have been game changers in my GRC journey. Must-read books. A top favorite of mine is The Phantom CISO by Michal Khan. And be sure to check out the InfoSec Survival Guide that Black Hills Information Security puts together. It's free. Industry intel. Join the conversations in Discord communities like Study GRC and Hack Smarter. But don't just lurk. Engage, ask questions, and share your insights. If you think you have nothing to contribute because you're just learning, this is simply not true, and you should stop listening to that voice. Learn on the go. The Darknet Diaries podcast offers a perfect blend of expert knowledge and real-world stories. I found this series incredibly helpful to submerge myself into the vocabulary and language of the industry. And some of these stories are flat-out crazy entertaining. Pro tip: while these resources are invaluable, your best learning will come from hands-on experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We often learn the most after we break something. Bonus pro tip: you can find a curated list of GRC resources on the Study GRC resource page. Your GRC journey begins. Starting your GRC career isn't about having the perfect technical background or following a rigid roadmap. It's about bringing your unique perspective, analytical mindset, and dedication to continuous learning. This field needs professionals who can think critically, communicate effectively, and adapt to evolving changes. Your journey in GRC will be as unique as your fingerprint, and your path will look a lot different from everyone else. Focus on building a strong foundation, cultivating meaningful relationships, and never losing sight of the bigger picture, helping people and building a more secure future. Whether you're transitioning from another field or just beginning your professional journey, there's a place for you here in GRC. The GRC Mafia is calling. Are you ready to answer? If you find value in this content, you can subscribe to my blogs for free on britwhite.io and have my blogs sent to your email every Monday morning at 9:30 U.S. Central Time. And remember, the links are below in the description.